In this, I would like to request our officiating minister to please join our couple for the photo opportunity. Thank you so much. And now I'd like to request the parents of the group. Alright, stay lang kayo dyan. Yanan mo.
Ayaw lang,
Akong giyawang ang mga igsoon ni group.
Jason Leo.
Alright, stay lang kayo dyan. This time, I would like to request all the relatives, both side, mother side, and father side. Lahat po na kamag-anak ng ating group, please join our group's family for a photo opportunity. Alright, thank you so much. We'll go back to your seats. Pabilin ang ginikanan ni group. We'd like to request the parents of the bride. Alright, thank you so much. Ang ginikanan ni group, pwede na mong balik sa inyong ikuranan. Pagpabilin ang ginikanan ni bride. Alright, stay lang mo nila, parents. Akong request ang igsoon bride. Right, tiralang mo ano lang. And now, would like to request all the relatives of the bride to please join our family for the photo opportunity. Alright, thank you so much. So we're gonna go back to your seats, and this time we'd like to request our female principal sponsors. Lahat po ng ating mga
kita nagkinusara, apa ng Ginoo, nagmando sa atong dalan, nag-abot ang buha, sa usa ka pa nagtagpo, dalay ko ng Diyos, sa iyang ugmang wagas subuhi, ipataas na to, ang atong mga kamot, himayaw ng Diyos, kay ikaw ug ako, nagmalipayon, ang pilay nga piin, kisinting simpar, ang dumanayang binuhat, maghinig ug maay, uban sa kasakit ug kalipay, uban kanunay.
Thank you so much, Nino. And we're gonna go back to your seats and now requesting our candlelighter field sponsor and our board sponsor to please join our couple for the photo opportunity. Again, requesting our field sponsor, our board sponsor, and our candlelighter to please join our couple for the photo opportunity. Sponsor sa Belo, sponsor sa Cordon, o ganoong candlelighter. Thank you so much. And now we have the bride's friends and workmates. Alright, brides, workmates, friends, batchmates. Again, requesting the bride's workmates, David family, to please join our couple for the photo opportunity as well as the friends of the bride, the batchmates.
Through every storm,
Thank you so much. Next, we have our groomsmen and bridesmaids together with our best man and maid of honor.
Years have passed and we were alone. What is guiding our path? Never the perfect moment.
Ma'am, diri ma'am isbog.
For his unfailing love.
Diri si ibog eh.
Let's raise our hands.
Diri ba? Diri ka ba?
Alright, then
Diri ka ba
Raj,
ni?
proceed mo dito sa entrance na bed.
Gibalik ba?
Groomsmen and
Ato kaon
bridesmaids.
balinan.
Next, we have our beamers and our
Sige pa.
flower girls.
Sibog ba?
Praise be to God for his unfailing love. Let's raise our hands and glorify God. You and I are filled with joy. April 30, 2025, three souls we created bound in love, together through sorrow and happiness, always side by side. For all the blessings we have received, and joy and trials, we remain strong. You and I,